back to my channel. So today's video I want to show you product line that I use on my hair. So this is 2 months after cutting off my hair. So the products that I use to make my hair feel this way, I'm going to share with you. So just stay tight and keep watching. So now if this is your first time of seeing my video, how about to subscribe to my channel, like my channel, share my videos and join the happy family. Then what next? Okay, please don't mind my shadow. So I'm at home, not in the office, so the light in my house is poor, so I have to get extra light, and the light is kind of like reflecting, showing my shadow on the background, so never mind the shadow. So now let's just jump straight into this. It's this product 911. I think I did a review about this product. I'll drop the link of the video in the description section, so you get to get to know about my review of this product. So now 911 is more like when you're setting your hair, so that's what you use to set your hair. So there's something I discovered about this product which I said in my review. So these are one of the products I used, though I didn't use it like every time, but it just once in a while. Like I said, I'm a product line junk, so I buy lots and lots of products. Yes, I use a lot of products, so I just use them once in a while. Then if I have my favorites, I kind of use it often, but this, I'm still in my one that I got, but this product is also good, so just check out the review. 911 by, I guess it's Emily Millionary made this product. Yeah, Emily Millionary products. So they have a lot of products. I have other products of Emily Millionary products which I reviewed in my video, which is they have a hair fertilizer. I'll drop the picture here so you get to see the hair fertilizer. And they have other coconut products which I didn't use the coconut products. Why? Because it kind of I mainly use it if I want to like condition my hair, so that's when I use that. So that is that. So now the next product I use is keratin. So I don't know if this is the original keratin classic shampoo, and I also have the conditioner. So I got this in Mega Plaza, Victoria Island, Lagos. So if you know Mega Plaza, so that's where I got it. I guess they still have it. So this product is nice. So this is one of the products I use, and you can see it's almost finished. So got to this place. So basically when I use this product is when I want to wash and set my hair. So when I feel like going to the salon to wash and set my hair, so I use it to wash and set my hair. So the both of them, they're almost at same level because I kind of use them together. So this keratin, I did actually do review on this product because I can't really say this is what I like about it, this is what I don't like about it. So I just don't want to do a review that I'll start messing up. So that's why I just said there's no point. So I didn't really, it's not bad, but I can't really say this is exactly what I like, this is exactly what I don't like. So that's why I didn't do a review about this product. So another product here is I have my Mega Growth shampoo. Yes, I did a review about this product, Mega Growth relaxer and shampoo. So I'm going to link the video in the description section so you get to read about this shampoo. This shampoo is a neutralizing shampoo. Sorry. So this shampoo is a neutralizing shampoo. I basically use it whenever I relax my hair. So if you want to know why I use it whenever I relax my hair, go and watch the video so you get to know more. I don't want this video too lengthy. The essence of this video is to show you the products, my product line, hair product line that I used 2018. So maybe you check it out if it's gonna work for you. So another product I use here is Echo hairstyle gel. Yes, actually I did not do a review about this product. Why? Because there's nothing so interesting about this product. I got this, it's over 2 years now, and I barely use it. So the reason why I don't use it all the time because it doesn't hold enough for me. So I just felt waste of money. So that is one of the products I use. Then another one that I use is my Cantu conditioner, and I have my Cantu moisturizer. I have not actually done review about this product. Like you all know, I stopped using this product few weeks ago. Why? Because I don't know, I wasn't really feeling this product. So this one makes my hair flakes. like kind of have like residue on my hair. So basically I don't use it as a leave-in conditioner, I use it as in like a wash conditioner. I just use it to condition my hair, after which I wash it, like a deep conditioner to deep condition my hair, then I wash it out. Now why this one is okay, very nice. I've not done review on it, so if you want to know about this product, maybe you just check other videos, or maybe I'll just drop a few things about this in a separate video, so I don't want this video so lengthy. So I decided to change from this product to this particular product. Why? Because I fell in love with this. Yes, so this product is Beautiful Texture. I did a review about this product recently, so if you want to know about this product, what I said about this product, check the description section so you get to watch the video about this product. Nice product. So I have to dump my Cantu to use this product, but that doesn't mean I will not use Cantu. But for now, let me rock my newfound love. So another product that I used is my Oriflame product. Yes, my Oriflame. Yes, I made a review about Oriflame oil and the shampoo. As at when I made this review, I don't have the conditioner, so I didn't bother to talk much about the conditioner because I wasn't having it, so I didn't use it. So I only made a review about the oil and that of the shampoo. So if you want to know what I said about this, I'm going to drop the video, then you watch it. So now I'll just give a brief gist about the shampoo, the conditioner. So it's good, more like the regular kind of conditioner, makes your hair soft, so there's nothing so special about it, but it's a nice product. So watch the video on what I said about the shampoo and that of the oil. Very interesting stuff I said there. Then another product I use, this Sassy Botanical Sprites. Yeah, this product, I never did a review about this product. Why? Because ever since I got this product, you can see where it is now, I only used it 4 times. Yes. So why is the first 2 times I used it, I misused it. I thought it's normal leave-in conditioner. I didn't know it's spray gel. Hey, it was crazy, because after making my hair, after combing my hair, I have to use it thinking it's conditioner. Within 2-3 hours, my hair was like, bam, very strong. I messed up. So it was when I went to the salon, I gave it to my salonist that she should use it on my hair, that is leave-in conditioner. She said, girl, did you read this? This is spray gel. So I love this spray gel. Yes, if you want to roll your hair and you want to have some coils, use it. Very nice. So this is it. So don't worry, in the description section I'm going to drop a list of all these products, so you can always go and check it out. So another product I used is olive oil hair mayonnaise. Yeah, this product, actually I didn't do review on this product, so I may have to do review, because there are some products here that I didn't do review on it, but I use them. So I may have to take out time to do review about this product. So what I'm doing now is to share with you all the product line I used 2018. So this product is nice. I use it for deep conditioner. Yes, there are ways I use it, so I may do review on that, on how I use this for deep condition my hair. And another product I use is VO5. Yeah, VO5. I use the shampoo, I use the conditioner. Basically, this is not a hard, it's a mild shampoo. Same thing with the keratin, they are mild shampoo. So basically I use them whenever I want to have like wash and set my hair. So it's mild, so it's best for that. I don't use a neutralizing shampoo whenever I just want to wash my hair, so it doesn't strip most of my oil. But not all hair strips all the oil off, so it's a nice product, VO5. Then another product I use is more like a oil sheen. Is this is a cheap oil sheen, not expensive oil sheen, but there's something I discovered about this oil sheen that you may not like. So it makes my hair hard whenever I use it, but it doesn't tangle. So I basically don't use it like all the time. So that's the product. It's not bad, it's also nice. And another product I use is virgin hair fertilizer. So I made a review about this product with Emily Millionary fertilizer. I made the both of them review, so if you want to watch the video, I'm going to drop the link in the description section so you get to watch it. This product is super. Yes, also with the Emily Millionary. So there are ways I use the both of them, not like I use this now, no, there is a reason why I use them. So if you want to know the reason why I use them, check the description section and watch the video so you get to understand more why I use them separately. So another product line I use is Cantu Edge Control. I made a review about this product with olive oil edge control. So I'll drop a picture of the olive oil edge control here or here so you get to see it. So there's something I discovered about this and also the olive oil edge control. So I'll drop the video link in the description section so you get to watch it and get to know what I like about this and also what I don't like about the olive oil. And in between, they both have their advantages and disadvantages, and they both have when I use this and when I don't use it. So if you want to know it, watch the video. So I guess my product line that I use for 2018 is finished. I also have some that I use that I don't have the empty here like that. Let's watch out for 2019. Hopefully I'm going to repeat most of this product because I kind of like them. Then the ones that I don't like, I'm not going to repeat them. So if I still have some left in the bottle, I may want to use them or just dish it out, then get some other products. So like I said earlier, I'm product line junkie, so I use a lot of products on my hair. I like trying out new things for my hair. So now guys, that's all for my video for today. Thank you for watching. If you like any of these products I shared with you today, just simply let me know and let me know the reason why you like it. Then I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.